Some of you have done nothing with your life, and you're mad. You have a college degree and a smartphone with access to virtually anything, and you can barely get out of bed in the morning, while you spit on the people who built a whole world with nothing but a horse, map, and axe. You've made nothing with access to everything. You've conquered nothing. Hell, you can't even conquer yourself. So go tear it all down. Scream into the void how unfair it is. It's not that you've wasted your short time here. Surely not. Don't bother with your own legacy. You're busy putting down the long dead who aren't here to care. So go burn every Starbucks. That'll show them. Torch the Target. Tear down the monument. Deface every memorial. But in the end, what have you built? What do you leave behind? So take your benzos. Watch your pornography. Get Uber to drop off your dinner. Buy an adult coloring book. Have sex with strangers to ease your crippling anxiety. It's not you. It's the system, really. It isn't fair. So go cancel someone. Dox someone. They deserve it. They're evil, and you're the good guy. Don't write an epic novel worth building a statue to remember you. No. Go troll a 7-year-old problematic tweet on the hunt for the boogeyman, the Baba Yaga. See, now you've accomplished something. Cancel everyone. You're a warrior now. A real hero. And whatever you do, never take a moment to self-reflect on your own failures. Never own them. Never take a hint of responsibility. Remember, you're just a helpless victim of circumstance beyond your control. This all means nothing. It's like you weren't even here. But you are here, aren't you? There's a part of you that still has hope, feels powerful, and looks at this beautiful land we live on with wonder. The part of you wants to take a walk in the woods, hear birds sing, take pictures to remember a small moment that you'll cherish when you're old and dying. The part of you wants a loving wife, beautiful children, and a chance to provide for them what wasn't there for you. It wants to build, to create, to live. But it can't. Because you think you want to destroy the system, and with it, that dream. You think that will make this mind-numbing existence you endure better and fulfilled, but it won't. Fulfillment and joy won't come from destruction, but rather building your life around truth. The truth that you want a family, a home, accomplishments to look back on with pride, and the truth is you can have it. So truly go find a wife, build a home, start a life, raise your children. Don't destroy, build. Look back at the Western dream you've built and know that you existed and meant something. Know that you were here, and leave something behind. Be someone who is remembered. Let your children's children talk about you. Let people remember the house you built with your own hands. Let them remember the dedication to the trade you chose. Let them remember the long nights at work, the sweat, the blood, the pure exhaustion you endured to build your business up from nothing. Let them remember how devoted of a husband and a father you were, the skills you possessed, the jokes you told, the lessons you taught. And let them talk. Let them talk about you. When they talk about you, let them tell your love story. How no greater love story was ever told than you and that of your wife. Let them talk about how you met. The struggles you went through together, the accomplishments, the adversities you overcame, and let them talk how never, not once, did you two falter. Let them talk about how good of a father you were, how you were firm but fair, how you were loving but disciplined, how you shaped their lives and changed the way they looked at the world forever. Let them know that you were a brother, that people could rely on you, that you stood fast in your convictions and you fought the good fight. You fought to give your children the life you never had. That you passed that eternal legacy down, father to son, son to his son, and so forth. That the life you built was only a stepping stone for the greater life that your children could build. And that everyone that met you would know that while you weren't perfect, you were doing the best you can every single day. That you strove to be better every single day. And that you were the best you could be because you were a proud Western chauvinist who refused to apologize for creating the modern world.